हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। तो आज का टॉपिक है कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ पाई डायग्राम्स। लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, इंट्रोडक्शन, पाई चार्ट और पाई डायग्राम, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ पाई चार्ट और पाई डायग्राम। नाउ इंट्रोडक्शन. In this lesson, we shall discuss about the pie chart or circle graph or pie diagram and its construction. Now, pie chart or pie diagram. In a pie chart, the various observations or components are represented by the sectors of a circle, and the whole circle represents the sum of the values of all components. Central angle for a component is equals to value of component divided by sum of the values of all components multiply by 360 डिग्री, क्योंकि कंप्लीट सर्कल कितने डिग्री का एंगल बनाता है? 360 डिग्री कंप्लीट एंगल. नाउ कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ अ पाई चार्ट और पाई डायग्राम. To construct a pie chart, pie diagram for a given data, we follow these steps. Step 1. Calculate the central angle for each component by using the formula. Central angle of component, value of the component divided by total values multiply by 360 degree. Now step 2. Draw a circle of convenient radius. Step 3. Within this circle, draw a horizontal radius. Step 4. Starting with the horizontal radius, draw radii making central angles corresponding to the values of the respective components till all the components are exhausted. These radii divide the whole circle into various sectors. Step 5. Shade each sector with different design. Example करते हैं. Example 1. The data on the mode of transport used by 720 students is given below. Mode of transport and number of students. Motorbike 120, scooty 180, train 240, cycle 80, bus 100. Represent the above data by a pie chart. Solution करते हैं. Total number of students is equals to 720. Central angle for a mode of transport is equals to number of students using that mode divided by total number of students multiply by 360 degree. Calculation of central angles, mode of transport, number of students and central angle. Motorbike 120 students, तो 120 upon 720 multiply by 360 degree is equals to 60 degree. Scooty 180, central angle is 180 upon 720 to 360 degree, that is 90 degree. Train 240, central angle is 240 upon 720 into 360 degree, that is 120. Cycle 80, central angle is 80 upon 720 into 360 is equals to 40 degree. Bus 100, 100 upon 720 multiply by 360 degree is equals to 50 degree. Now construction of pie chart. First, draw a circle of any convenient radius. Second, draw a horizontal radius of this circle. Starting with the horizontal radius, draw sectors whose central angles are 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 डिग्री, 40 डिग्री एंड 50 डिग्री रेस्पेक्टिवली. इस तरह से जैसे ये हमने रेडियस यहाँ पे की, पहले 60, 90, 120, 40 एंड 50 डिग्री. शेड द सेक्टर्स सो ऑब्टेन्ड डिफरेंटली एंड लेबल ईच वन ऑफ देम. सबको अलग अलग कलर से हमने क्या किया? शेड किया और सभी में लिख दिया. लाइक 60 डिग्री मोटर बाइक, स्कूटी 90 डिग्री, ट्रेन 120 डिग्री, साइकिल 40 डिग्री एंड बस 50 डिग्री. Thus, we obtain the required pie diagram as shown in the adjoining figure. Now, example 2. Mr. Rakesh Sharma, a monthly salary of rupees 18,000, plans his budget for a month as given below. Particulars: amount in rupees, education 2,000, house rent 3,800, food 6,000, clothing 5,800, savings 400. Represent the above data by pie diagram or pie chart. Solution करते हैं इसका. Mr. Rakesh Sharma's monthly salary is rupees 18,000. Central angle for a component is equals to value of the component divided by sum of the values of all components multiplied by 360 degree. See the following calculation for central angles. Particulars, amount in rupees and central angles. Education is 2,000. Central angle is 2,000 upon 18,000 multiplied by 360 degree, that is equals to 40 degree. House rent 3,800. 3,800 by 18,000 multiplied by 360 degree, that is 76 degree. Food 6,000. 6,000 upon 18,000 multiplied by 360 degree is equals to 120 degree. Clothing 5,800. 5,800 upon 18,000 multiplied by 360 degree is equals to 116 degree. Savings 400. 400 upon 18,000 multiplied by 360 degree is equals to 8 degree. ये सारी हमारे क्या निकल गए? सेंट्रल एंगल्स. Now construction of a pie chart or pie diagram. Steps of construction. First, draw a circle of any convenient radius. Second, draw a horizontal radius of this circle. Now third is, starting with the horizontal radius, draw sectors whose central angles are 40 degree, 76 degree, 120 degree, 116 degree and 8 degree respectively. ये सारे हमने यहाँ पे कर दिए. Now fourth, shade the sectors so obtained differently and label each one of them. Thus we obtain the required pie chart, pie diagram as shown in the adjoining figure. Now apply your learning. The average marks in various subjects of class 8 are shown below. Subjects, average marks: English 65, Hindi 70, Mathematics 85, Science 80, Social Studies 70. Represent this data on a pie chart. तो above examples की तरह आप पहले इनका सेंट्रल एंगल निकालेंगे एंड देन कंस्ट्रक्ट अ पाई चार्ट. इसी तरह से बच्चों एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया. इसका रिवीजन आप खुद कीजिए.